Welcome to our aBlocks tutorial series. Today we're diving into the Progress Tracker block, a fantastic tool to visually display progress, goals, or milestones on your WordPress site. First, go to the section where you want your progress tracker. Click the plus icon, search for Progress Tracker, and insert the aBlocks Progress Tracker block. Let's customize our progress tracker. Open the Settings panel on the right and go to the General tab. Start with the Layout section. First, we'll customize the bar area. The layout type is set to bar, but you can switch to circle for a different style. Next, set the direction. It's on left, meaning the bar fills from left to right. Then, progress relative to. It's set to entire page, so the tracker shows progress for the whole page. Now, toggle Show Percentage to display the progress percentage on the bar, making it clear for users. Moving to the Content section, set the color. Then, fix the typography. Let's style our progress tracker. Switch to the Style tab in the Settings panel. First, set the progress color. Next, adjust the background color. Now set the height. Moving to the border settings, under Normal, set the border style. Then, adjust the width. It's 1 pixel on all sides, top, right, bottom, left. Finally, set the border color. Let's add some dynamic effects. Go to the Advanced Settings section and open the Motion Effect area. First, set the sticky effect. I'll choose bottom, so the progress bar sticks to the bottom of the screen as users scroll. Now apply the effect to specific devices. I'll enable it for desktop, tablet portrait, and mobile portrait to ensure the sticky effect works across these views for a seamless experience. Next, fix the offset. This controls the distance from a bottom edge. And there's your progress tracker with a sticky effect. Once everything is set, save the page to apply all your changes. Just click the Save or Publish button. Now, check the preview. There it is. A beautifully created progress tracker with aBlocks, sticking to the bottom and ready to engage your visitors. That's a wrap. Your aBlocks Progress Tracker block is live and looking amazing. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and share your ideas in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.